Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add link to Snapchat profile. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problems or any queries within the process, you can let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now, as you want to add link to Snapchat profile, just go to your profile first and over here scroll a bit until you find this my public profile. Now go over here and now on your top you'll be having this pencil like option. Just go over here. Now over here you'll be having option which says tap to add bio. Now press over here and now you can add the link over here like this. Press OK. Now go back or just preview your profile. Now you can see you'll be having this link over here like this. So that's how you're gonna be doing. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is very much helpful for you. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away and I'll be seeing you guys in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.